p.m. At 3:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Utica, or 13 miles northeast of Newark, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Loudonville, Gambier, Cigar Creek, Shreve, Danville, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Glenmont, Mount Eaton, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Apple Creek, Baltic, Fredericksburg, and Martinsburg. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Coshocton County, northwestern Muskingum County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 20 miles northwest of Frazeysburg to near Frazeysburg, or along a line from 27 miles west of Coshocton to 16 miles northwest of Zanesville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Nellie, Walhonding, Cooperdale, New Guilford, Blissfield, and Leyland.